Welcome friends. Today I am going to tell you about fireworks. The first question is, what is fireworks? Fireworks is a bitmap and vector graphics editor formerly developed by Macromedia and since 2006 developed by Adobe. The main purpose of Adobe Fireworks is for creating expressive, highly optimized graphics for web, screen and various devices. It is an image editor produced by Macromedia and Adobe but closely integrated into Dreamweaver. It permits easy creation of web graphics. Like Dreamweaver, it has a complex interface, but once we learn, then it is very powerful package. We can say that Fireworks is similar to Photoshop. Photoshop is another Adobe product which is used to edit images. Now let's see friends how to open Adobe Fireworks in our computer. First go to Start menu, then All Programs. After that click on Master Collection CS5 and then select Adobe Fireworks CS5. Or you can directly open Fireworks by clicking on Start menu and write Adobe Fireworks in the search menu. This window represents that your Fireworks is open now. Thank you.